This is my favorite spot in Beverly Hills. Today, I'm gonna do shooting with my friend, Asian fashionista. We're gonna compare the Kelly 28 Sellier and Kelly 28 Retourne. So, I'm waiting for her. Hi guys, Cindy in LA and Asian fashionista. We're gonna collaborate our bag today. So as you can see, both our bags are same size, Kelly 28 and same gold color. But there are some differences as well, so we're gonna compare together. What is different then? First, as you can see, the Sellier and Retourne, the style of stitch is different. Mine is out stitch, hers is in stitch. So when you see, even though it's the same size, same color, it looks different. Mine is Epsom leather. Hers is evergreen leather. So the same gold color looks different on different leather. Epsom leather is perfect for structured bag because it holds its true shape in all circumstances. Also, it's resistant to scratching and lightweight, and wipe with a damp cloth, easy to clean. Evergreen leather has smooth and soft touch, but because it's so soft, it can easily get scratched. But don't worry, scratches can be easily removed with a gentle rubbing of the finger. Now let's see the back side. It looks pretty much same, but when you see it, because one is in stitch and the other one is out stitch, the look is a little bit different. Let's check from the top. You know, Sellier looks a little bit bigger and Retourne looks a little bit smaller. So even though it's same size, which is 28, actually Retourne is shorter, the length. Because different style of stitching, Sellier has more structured look, Retourne has curved look. So Retourne has more casual vibe, but Sellier has more like formal look. Also, gold hardware is more like luxurious look, and palladium has more casual look. Now let me open and see inside. Oh my god, this bag has pink color inside. So pretty. I've seen Lindy Swift leather with a different color inside. I think Swift leather and evergreen leather, sometimes they have like two-tone, which is inside different color. Mine is same inside. So which one do you like? Are you team of Sellier or team of Retourne? Do you prefer Epsom or evergreen? I would love to have both. Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I came to get COVID-19 vaccine by Drive-Thru. So I didn't know it's like really like easy to get vaccine now by drive-thru. So I'm like really excited. So let's go together. So it's better you guys can find a link. I'm gonna put the link down below for the description, but it's better to book online in advance. But if you can't, there are places you can walk in. So I came without any reservation and I walked in with car. So they said I can drive through and get vaccine from the car while I'm sitting in the car. So yeah, I enter this site. This is elementary school and they just made as a like vaccine place. So everyone can get, you don't need insurance, you just need to show your ID, like driver's license. So that's it. And I got like walk-in paper. I can put the video. So I got walk-in paper on the windshield and that's it. I'm just waiting, fill out some form, like walk-in check-in online. So I put the form, everything you guys can see. Yeah, so this is like amazing. That's why people are like eating McDonald's hamburger while waiting for drive-thru to get vaccine. So yeah, I'm so excited. So I can't believe I'm here for vaccine. But I have to get first one, and as I know, 3 weeks later I can get second one. Yeah, so yeah, let's see how it goes. So this is the way before you check in, drive-thru check-in place. So you get like walk-in paper from here, and then you're gonna wait in your car. You're gonna stay in your car. I didn't wait at all, but in the car till I get vaccine, I think total hour, the processing hour was like less than an hour. Yeah, and I got this walk-in paper on my car. This is elementary school. They just use this site for vaccine temporarily. It's almost my turn. I'm so excited. Right before getting vaccine, they check whether you have insurance or not, but you don't need to have. Oh my god, now I'm gonna get vaccine. You don't need to get out from the car when you get a vaccine. You're gonna just stay in your seat and then the nurse gonna come and give you a shot while you're sitting inside your car. Right now, I'm gonna get the vaccine from nurse. At last, I got it, my first dose. It was not painful. After getting shot, you're gonna be in recovery area for 15 minutes. So you're gonna come back 3 weeks later. You need to bring this paper again. You need to get dehydrated after a shot, so drink some water. I highly recommend you get something drive-thru McDonald's first before you go to get vaccine. So that while you are waiting, you can get some burger or whatever you want.